CW Question with your host Vince and my very special guest K9EI Matt Bonadies. Matt is a CW enthusiast. He's funny as heck. First off, go down here and check out his YouTube channel and learn about the downward Bengali pose while you're doing your CW or giving your paddles the cooties for straight key night. Matt, what's your, and of course, Matt is one of the co-hosts with me on the new CW Operators Roundtable, and the link is down there, the one that Kyle hosts. Matt, what's your one best tip for a new CW operator?
Well, thanks, Vince, for the introduction and the warm welcome. So for the new CW operator, and this is irregardless of your skill level, how long you've been doing it. But I've noticed one of the best things that have helped me lately, and I've only been doing CW for a couple years now, is learning how to miss fast. So when you first start learning CW, you're really entrenched in learning the characters. Once you learn those characters, learn how to miss them really quickly. It takes a little practice, but it helps you recover from a positive mistake, is what I like to call it. Missing fast is perfect, and perfectly acceptable, and it just helps you get through the QSO, especially when you're new at it and you're trying to build your confidence levels with CW. So missing fast helps you get on to the next character coming your way, so that you can at least try to put the context together, the message that's coming across, or even if it's a call sign. If you missed it, at least you got some of it, and then just keep going.
Right on, missing fast. Miss fast and move on. Great sage advice. Thanks, Matt. Thanks for
No
coming out.
problem.
73.
73. See ya.